Dear learners, in the last video, we talked about the first wave of feminism. Today, let's understand the second wave of feminism in a simple way. This movement began in the early 1960s and continued till the early 1980s. While the first wave focused mainly on voting rights, the second wave went much deeper. It focused on three major areas: workplace, family, and social reform. The main goal was to silence systematic and deep-rooted inequalities that women faced in everyday life. The wave addressed important issues like reproductive rights, workplace discrimination and the idea of the glass ceiling, domestic violence awareness, and equal pay for equal work. One powerful idea from this movement was the personal is political. This means that personal experiences like family roles or workplace bias are actually influenced by larger social and political structures. Several important thinkers shaped this wave. To name a few, Betty Friedan, Simone de Beauvoir, and bell hooks. In terms of achievements, the second wave led to increased representation of women in the workplace, important legal reforms like the Equal Pay Act of 1963. Overall, the second wave of feminism changed how society understands equality, rights, and gender roles. Thank you. That's all for today.